Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and the cheapest way actually to clean and lubricate the motorbike chain. It's simple, it's not a big deal. As you can see, the chain is not very dirty, but I will like to clean it again. So I'm going to go through the simple steps. Um, Previously, if you look at my previous video, I used this chain cleaner. Actually, it was okay, but it didn't work very well. This time I'm gonna be using paraffin, which is used for heaters and stuff like that. It's cheap. It's only £8 for the whole thing. And then these are the tools I'm gonna use. These brushes, they come as a set as well. I bought them online, I think £3 or £4. And then this one actually, the lubricant is quite good. It's kind of like a gel. When you spray it, it stays there and it keeps the bike lubricating. So let's crack on. So first of all, I've put a bit of things under the chain so it doesn't make the floor dirty. And then I'll use this cardboard to protect the wheel as well when I start spraying the paraffin. Alright, here we go. We start first. As you seen, I put the bike on the jack so it can be loose and free, so I can move it right to left, and then I can go through the whole chain and see all the bits of the chain. So let's start from here. I'm gonna start. I put some paraffin on in this one, on this sprayer, which I bought also for another £1 or £2 from the shop, and then I'll be spraying the chain and the sprocket as well, quite a bit. As you can see, because I still have the lubricant here, so it's quite harsh on it. I'm just trying to set up that. Yeah, that's better. So I'm going through the whole chain and sprockets over all the teeth in between them as well. As you can see, let me start here. As you can see, it's already starting to help and cleaning the chain. Just be careful, this is very flammable. In case you are a smoker, do not smoke while you're doing this, or anyone else standing watching you smoking or with fire next to you. As you can see, we kind of soaked it. And then I will get one of the brushes and start, let it sit a bit, but then also start brushing the chain. Do this. As you can see, we're brushing from the inside of the chain. To get any debris or dust, thick dust. Sometimes sand, and from the rain when the floor is wet, dust and mud stuck on your chain. And then we do the top bit. As you can see, it's getting all the black bits off. And then I'll do between the teeth. As you can see, after brushing, I'll spray it a little bit more on the paraffin. As you can see, it's already shining now. And then do the chain everywhere. I'll clean as well while I'm here the bits that are inside, because as you can see, every time the chain goes in, it gets dirty again. So what are we gonna do? We spray that again, leave it to rest a bit, leave it to soak and drain a bit, and then we will wash it with water, and then that will be all of it. Okay, just let's leave it for 5 minutes and then come back in a sec. As you can see, now what we've done, so we done all the cleaning. I rinse it with the water hose, not a pressure hose, so you don't rip parts or wires or anything else. So it's best to do it just with a normal water hose. As then you can see, it came out shiny. It's clean as new. So I left it for at least 10-15 minutes to dry, and now we can lubricate the lube, chain lube. This is the one I'm using. You can use any preferable one. As you can see, we will start lubing. Just you need to be very careful when you lube, because you don't want it to go on your tires and then cause your tires be like an oil on your tire. Just make sure you lube all the areas you need, and just do it downward, and then this side as well. As you can see, it's really simple. The whole process is extremely simple. It's not a big deal. It's very simple. As I already dropped it off the jack, because I put it on the grass to dry, I will just lift it and move it like that, so I get to the parts that are already done. Keep shaking it every few seconds, because otherwise it will empty without. I think the chain is lubricated enough. And that's it. As you can see, it's simple, easy, doesn't need experience, and it's very cheap actually. The gallon I bought of the paraffin, I think it was £8, and it's 5 liters, which I hardly used 50 ml. So this you can do at least 20 or 30 of them. 30 times you can clean your chain with it. This lube I think is about £4 or £5, maybe a bit more, I can't remember. But this I used it already twice. I still have halfway. The brushes, I bought them on eBay for £4, I think. So if you look at it, the whole cost of changing my thing, cleaning and lubricating the chain, I think it will not cost me. It will cost under a few pounds, and only it takes you about 20 minutes, five minutes to clean and lubricate, and then 15 minutes after you wash it, you need to leave it to dry. So that's it, as simple as that. Just stay safe and drive safe, and watch where you're going. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the if you enjoyed the video, and share if you can. Thank you very much. Bye.